I just got this brand new Chevy Volt. I'll tell you why I did it, why I thought this was a perfect commuter car for me, and I'm ready to join a pretty large and growing number of people who absolutely love this car. I'll tell you why I decided to go with a plug-in hybrid per se rather than an all-electric car, and I'll tell you why I'm here at this particular Cooney Chevrolet dealership in Sacramento, California, where I just moved to. All of this is coming up next. If this is your first time here, please consider subscribing so you don't miss anything moving forwards, because if you want to stay up to date on everything that's going on in the world of electric cars, this is the right place. And of course, I want to remind all of you guys that this channel and this video is sponsored by Evernex, the aftermarket accessories for Tesla. There is a discount code in the description of this video. All right, let's talk about it. I am in Sacramento, California, where I moved to this month. The reason for that is because I want to go full-time with this channel, because I believe I can do so much more and can travel to all kinds of locations if I can just concentrate on that. So hopefully I can do that next year, but for now I moved here specifically just to cut down on my bills and everything. There's another video about that. But also this car right behind me is my brand new commuter car. It's a Chevy Volt. I did pretty extensive research about this and what I wanted to do, and whether or not I want to go with a plug-in hybrid rather than all-electric car. There's another video that I just posted, so please watch that before you get on my case about this. I do believe that plug-in hybrids at this point is a very realistic solution for a lot of people, including myself. My problem with having Tesla being my commuter car going back and forth from Sacramento to Bay Area, which will do a lot. I still have family and friends there. My problem is that for a 2-hour commute, and a lot of times it's a round trip, right? So 4 hours. If I have to sit at 45 minutes at the supercharger, double that, right? That's too much. That's literally killing the extra couple of hours in my day that are very important to me. Maybe an extra person to see, maybe an extra time to spend with my mom, or so realistically, plug-in hybrid is the solution for me. Chevy Volt particularly has got one of the longest range that will go on an electric charge. Also very affordable. I got a great deal here at the Cooney Chevrolet here in Sacramento. Actually, they gave me the best deal out of everybody in Northern California. So if you guys want me, by the way, this video in no way sponsored by them at all. I just want to give them kudos for, first of all, treating me well, not treating me like any other car dealership, which is still pretty sleazy, I felt, as I dealt with a lot of other dealerships. Not all, but a lot. So if you guys want to, I'll be more than happy to refer you to the guy who helped me out, and that was a really good experience. Just like I said, pretty affordable. And, again, before you comment, please watch my other videos where I believe that the plug-in hybrids is the realistic solution, sort of a gateway drug, if you will, to going all electric. And in my case also, I have 2 Teslas right now. Both of them are expiring as far as the leases. I will renew one of them, I'll just get a new one, but the other one I will return, so I'll have one Tesla electric car and another one will be the plug-in hybrid. Now, what this is going to give me, and this is a lease, by the way, and there's another video why I believe most people should lease to save themselves money, is because when at times, will time come next year for me to replace my Tesla, I will have a choice at that point, right? Because right now, if you want to buy an all-electric cars, especially when you go on long trips, Tesla is the only game in town, really, because of their supercharging network, absolutely 100%. But next year, we're going to have cars like a Jaguar, Porsche, Audi, and so forth, and they were still not the best choices, right? Because they don't have the fast-charging network, and there are no independent fast-charging networks right now that are ready to go, really. They are growing, but not ready to go. Having a commuter car like this that is still very environmentally friendly allows me to have a choice when my current Tesla lease will be over, even if I extend it. And that makes me feel really good. I will be able to make choices. I've had some really tough experiences with both of my Teslas in the last year or so, and even the last 2 years, and there's a video for that as well. Therefore, I am thinking about, what alternatives will I have if I really decide that maybe Tesla is not the brand for me at some point, and that's possible. I used to have an iPhone. I thought it was amazing, and I ended up switching to Android, and I'm happy with Android for many years now. And I don't mean to make this Android versus iPhone kind of a war video, but what I'm saying is I'd like to have a choice. Right now I don't have one, but now I do, because I got this commuter car. Anyway, I'll be more than happy to answer even some of your angry comments that I know are coming. We just kind of wanted to keep you guys up to date with what's happening, and you know, this is basically my journey into sort of a final sort of step of me hopefully being a full-time creator here on YouTube and being able to produce the best content I can create for you guys and bring you stuff on location, which has been happening more and more. It's getting tougher, of course, with having a full-time job during my daytime. All right, I'm looking forward to your comments. Other than that, see you guys next time, and remember to stay charged.